Coda's first ever Christmas. Got your jumper on? Oh, Coda, I love your Christmas jumper. You look so silly.
You whistled?
Hey buddy.
Works every time. Today's video is just a super quick kind of Christmas, Merry Christmas from Stephen. I filmed the Christmas special yesterday on Christmas Eve, but I've not had time to film it, so I can't post it on Christmas. So I thought I would just film this morning, Christmas morning, edit it quickly, roughly, and just kind of post it. It's like a little Christmas video. Probably be quite a short video, but I don't know. I just wanted to post something on Christmas. And then hopefully you should have like the Christmas special up on Boxing Day or the day after. I don't know. I'm taking some time off on the holidays.
Merry Chrysler bitches.
Christmas salmon. Oh, Stephen, I love it when you sit down.
The cold window feels nice on my cheeks.
Chill those cheeks, buddy. Chill, I'm good.
Delicious. Chuck it. Yes. Divine.
I really like salmon, but in the entire time making these Stephen videos, I've never taken any from him. Any salmon that I bought for Stephen, I've never had any myself. Would honestly love some, but the idea of taking away food from Stephen, it seems a bit wrong. Time for the wormies. Merry Christmas, Stephen.
Yeah. God.
Stephen,
What you gonna do?
come on now.
We.
Thank you guys for watching. Merry Christmas, Merry Chrysler, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for the Christmas special, hopefully on Boxing Day or the day after. We'll see. Anyway, goodbye.